Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install Debian Desktop on your Android phone without root. Yes, we can install Debian Linux distribution on our Android phone without any error. So in previous videos I already told you how you can install Kali Linux and Ubuntu, but right now we are going to install Debian. So for that, first of all you need to open any web browser because you need some commands and files to install Debian. So just type Mahesh Technicals and you will get maheshtechnicals.com website. Just open this website and you will get this article, which is how to install Debian Neon Desktop on Android no root. If you not found this article, just click on search icon, then type Debian and press enter. With this way you can easily get this article. Okay, so just open this article. Here you will get all the instructions which requires to install Debian. First of all, click on download section. Now here you will find 3 files, so you can download all the files properly. So first of all, you need to install Termux application and Termux X11 application on your phone. Okay, you can see I already installed it. Now the next file is this one, which is Debian Neon Desktop backup file. So you need to download this file as well. Okay, so make sure all the files and applications you installed successfully. So let me show you how you can do and install Debian on your system. For that, you will need some commands to configure Termux to install Debian. For that, you can see how to install section. Here you will find the commands. So first command is apt update. So you can use this command to update your Termux packages. So just copy this command, open Termux application. Okay, so paste first command and press enter. It will update your Termux packages. Okay, so now the next command is to upgrade your packages. So just copy this command and paste into your Termux terminal and press enter. In this step, you will get yes or no pop-ups on your screen. So just type Y and press enter again and again. Okay, so all packages are upgraded successfully. Now the next one is installing wget package. So you need to install wget package. Wget package used for downloading files from internet in terminal. Okay guys, so it is very important package. So just install this. Okay, so wget package is installed successfully. Now we need to download Debian installer script. So just copy the whole command, copy full command properly. Okay guys, otherwise it will not work. So just paste here and press enter. It will download installer script. You can see Debian neon.sh file. This is the installer script. So now we need to make it executable. So we need to change permissions of that file. So just copy this command, which is chmod. So go here and paste the command and press enter. Now let me ls and you can see the file color is changed. It means all permissions granted successfully. Now we need to run this script to install Debian on our Termux application. So use this command, which is bash debian neon.sh. Press enter. It will automatically run this script. Now click on allow for storage permissions. Now you can see all the process is started successfully. So wait here, I'll show you one more important step here. So don't skip video from here, otherwise you will not able to install Debian on your system. Okay, so this script is automatically download backup file, which is Debian Neon Desktop backup file in the terminal. Okay, so you can see downloading is started. It is downloading Debian Desktop backup file in the terminal. But if you are getting good internet speed here, so you can still start the running, otherwise you can close this tab. Okay, so let me show you how. You can see I am getting very low speed here, very low download speed. So you need to download this file manually and use this. For that, just click on Ctrl C, then clear the terminal. To that, type clear and press enter. Then type ls. Now you can see this is the file which is downloaded, but it is not fully downloaded because I stopped the running. Okay, so remove this file first. So for that, type rm space file name. So this command will remove this file. You can see ls, you can see successfully removed. Okay, so now I already told you to download Debian Neon Desktop backup file. Okay, so let me show you which file I'm going to use here. You can see, go to download section again. Let me show you. Go to download section again. Okay, on the second number, I already told you to download this file. So now we are going to use this file. So if you not downloaded yet, so download this file. Okay, it is approximately 2 GB, so download it. And let me show you where I stored this file. In internal storage, in A folder, I have this file. Just cut this file from here and paste it into internal storage and download folder. Let me show you. Internal storage, download folder, and paste here. Make sure your file is present in internal storage /download folder. Okay guys, otherwise my script will not detect and it will start downloading this file again. Okay, so I already added the script properly to detect download folder. Okay, so after moving or downloading your file, just rerun my script again. Installer script. Let me show you. This is the command. Just press enter and it will ask for yes or no. Type yes, Y, and it will start installation of Debian. So wait here until it's get detected your download folder. You can see this file is detected properly, and now it is copying this file into Termux. Okay, so wait here. If this step not found your file, it will start downloading backup file in the terminal. Okay guys, so you can see already copied successfully. Now it is restoring the file. Okay, now backup file is restoring. So wait here. Okay, now it is asking to delete the backup file, yes or no. So you can delete it because we have already file in our download folder. So just type Y and press enter. That's it. Your successfully installed Debian on your Android phone. Let me show you. With the end of the script, it will automatically open Termux X11 application and it will show like this. Okay, if your Termux X11 application not open automatically, you can manually open that. Okay, so you can see this is the desktop version of Debian. You can use it. It is fully themed version guys. You can use that. You can see this is the Termux which is the terminal. Sorry, it is terminal. So let me show you file manager as well. You can see file manager is fully colorful. Now go to system locations and you can see, double click on SD card, and here you can easily see your internal storage data. Okay, so it is very simple. You can easily access your internal storage data. With this way, you can easily install Debian on your system. So let me show you one more thing you need to understand. Okay, so if you want to use Debian and if you want to start Debian again, so how you can do that? If you exit Termux application or close the started server running, so how you can restart your Debian? Let me show you how. For that, just close the running state here, which is server. So now click on Termux and exit. Okay, so our Termux is exit now. How you can restart your Debian server again? So for that, you don't need to follow all the steps again and again. You need to paste one command, it will start your Debian again. So for that, you need to go to my website and go to FAQ section. In the FAQ section, I already give you all the answers which you want to ask me. So just copy this command, which is /start excepc for debian.sh. You can see this file and press enter. That's it. With this way, you can easily restart your Debian again. You can see your Debian is started again successfully. Now you can see here we have VS Code installed. Let me open this. So if you are a coder or a programmer, you can use VS Code on your Android phone. So I already told you how you can install in Kali Linux and Ubuntu, but here it is already pre-installed in this system. Okay, so it is very good. So let me open the browser as well. Let me check internet working or not. So I already tested. I know that internet is working perfectly fine. Let me show you. You can see internet is successfully working. So how about sound? It is also working. I already tested. If you're not getting sound, that is not a problem, because this Debian version, installed version, is successfully working sound also. Okay, so you can see internet, sound, everything is working perfectly. So you can use this because it is very lightweight, guys. If you have 5 GB internal storage free on your internet storage phone, so you can easily install it, because it is taking 3 GB maximum to install. Okay, not more than that. So if you have 5 GB internal storage, you can easily install and use it. So let me show you the proof as well. So just open Termux app info, go to storage and data. Here you can see how much space it is taking. Okay, so less than 3 GB. Okay guys, so it is very lightweight and powerful, so you can use and easily use this Debian desktop on your Android phone. So article link in the description. So if you think this video is helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.